Nung kanina, puyat kasi ako kahapon. Ano, 4 or 3 ako natulog kahapon. So, after nun, pumunta si Racer. Natulog na ako nung 4, diba? Tapos, mga 7, pumasok si Racer sa kwarto ko. Tapos, tinatap niya ako, sabi niya, baka gusto niyo mag-lunch o baka gusto niyo daw mag-breakfast. Usually, hindi ako nag-breakfast. Lunch and dinner lang ako. So, yun. Nung nag-ano kami, nung sabi na sa akin, baka gusto niyo mag-lunch ha. Tapos, kasi nakapikit ako. Nakapikit talaga ako. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, baka gusto niyo mag-lunch ha. Sabi ko naman. Sabi niya sa akin, ano bangos yung ulam? Napasag ako. Pasabi ako, weh! Napauwi agad ako kasi favorite ko talaga yung ano, seafood na yung bangus. Pero ano siya, parang tinapas yung may hati sa gitna. May nahati siya sa gitna. Wait, parang let's where's the filter? Wait, I will isang hi po dyan for me, kuya. Hi. Yasint. Ang galing mo, Winston. Sobrang proud kami sa'yo. Thank you so much. And of course, I can't do it without my members. Kaya sobrang happy ako sa nakasama ko sila naman. Nandun sila for me, for us. Of course. Ayan. Sobrang saya na. Wait. Boring naman. Let's play some music. As in, kakarating lang namin. And then parang, wow, like, for 5 days ata kami nasa barko. And then, tuloy-tuloy lang siya. So, ano talaga. So, parang kanina lang, first time namin makaapak ng yung tawag doon ng lupa. Sabi ko, wow, amazing. Apak na din tayo ng lupa. Kaya, tapos, fun fact, TMI pa is, yung first one namin na performance, yun, as in, nasa barko kami, pero yung barko tumigil siya, para gawin yung event. Pero yung pangalawa namin, nagpe-perform kami, while umaandar yung ship. Kaya, pag tumatalong kami, as in, gumaganon din siya, nag-iiba din yung kaya nahihilo din yung ibang members. But me, I don't, Pero hindi ako nahihilo. Wait, someone's knocking. Hello. Someone knocked. That's why I opened it. Yeah. Then, now let's continue. Just ask more question, guys. Galing ng iiwan. No, I'm not nang iiwan. Just someone knocked on my door. That's why I just opened it up. My electricity, of course. My light, and then the aircon, and then after that, nag-live agad ako. So, as in live na live ako nga. Yeah. So what's your question, guys? May own rooms kayo? Yes, we have. Hands up, crack the sky open, put your hands up. Put the sky, let the water fall. Kuya, anong feel mag-perform sa barko? Ako wala akong masyadong na-feel eh. Parang normal lang siya. Pero nakaka-amaze lang kasi yung mga nakaharap namin doon pag nag-perform gabi, nandun yung mga fishermans natin, like yung mga mangingisda natin. Kaya super happy kami na mag-perform doon at ipakita sa kanila yung yung lively namin, yung feel like sexy namin, ganun. Kaya medyo yun. Kaya sobrang happy kami na makapag-perform sa kanila in front of them. Kasi isipin natin yung mga ginagawa nila, like pumupunta silang sa laot, ganun. Tapos it's just the best time na parang just watching and then listen to our songs. And then mas mag-vibe lang din sa amin. Kaya ang happy namin na nandun din sila. O walang ano daw? May seafood ba sa ba? Well, actually, maraming food. Pero hindi masyado yung seafood. Kunti lang ma. Parang fish ganun. Ganun. Pero ang sarap pa rin naman. Pahinga ka ton. Actually, after the event we had, ano lang, wala kami masyadong ginawa eh. We're just in the ship inside, resting. Ganun. Kaya, medyo hindi ako pagod ngayon eh. Medyo mataas pa yung energy ko ngayon. Kung saan si Marcos and Jiro? Marcos just went to his room right now, I think. And then, Jerome is unpacking his things, I think. Ano daw? Di in-expect ni Kim yung birit mo sa salamat. Oo, sinurprise ko siya eh. Surprise sa lahat. Kasi nung kahit naman nung first, trinay ko nung sa salamat nung first performance namin, and then nag-work naman siya. It's just that my mic is not working at all. So, I talked to myself na sabi ko, next time mag-perform kami ulit, I try my best and sana gumagana na yung mic. And then, fortunately, it did. It happened. So, super happy ako. And then, of course, sana matuwa si Vinci sa akin sa ginawa ko. Kinanto ko yung part niya for the meantime. And then now, they're good naman. Mas na sila, like, they're not sick na anymore. So, they're good na. Pag in-invite ko ba kayo sa birthday ko, pupunta kayo. Oo naman, basta may bayad. Joke lang. Paalam. Nasa dorm kayo? Yes, kakarating lang namin. Paalam mo sa papa ko sa John Davis. Sige. Hi kay Riza Twag. Kung please sa papa niya, allow mo po siya pumunta sa event na to. Instant saan si Marcos at Jiro? You're not here. Don't you see? It's only me. Don't you see, my friend? It's only me. Kuya, what did you feel na success kayo even wala sila bitch? Well, honestly, we're kind of nervous because both of them are spokesperson, kumbaga. So, during the event, as in nag-usap-usap talaga kami na, ikaw dito after this song, ikaw yung magsasalita, ganito. Like, we have the plan kung sino talaga yung mga magsasalita, because usually, if nagpe-perform kami, usually si Vinci and Marcos nag-a-adlib for saying things. Pero, at that time, we just trust ourselves, ganon, na parang, sige, gawin na lang natin. Kasi, syempre, kami lang nandun, and then, we had to do it. Ganon. Pero, super happy kami na nagawa namin yan. And then, parang naging independent talaga kami nun. Kasi, wow, nakaya pala namin dun. Pero, sad pa rin kasi wala sila Vinci and then Marcos. It would be, more happy kung nandun sila dalawa. Kuya Tanisang hi. Kai. Hi, Kai. What you doing, R. Anton? What are you doing, R. Anton? I'm doing live. Don't you see? I'm doing live, my friend. And hindi pa ako nag-unpack, actually. Yes, hindi pa ako nag-unpack. And then, wala. Hindi pa ako nakapag-unpack. Because nung pagdating ko dito, I just do my life. May iba bang, meron bang, meron ba kayong, meron ba kayong makeup artist sa bar? Yes, we have. For the artists, we have. Ilang days kayo sa bar ko? I think 4 or 5. 5 days? I think 5 or 4 days. 4 or 5 days, I think. Ala, nahulog yung ko. Look at this, friend. Nahulog siya. Oh no! Then I received ano pala. Nung pumunta kami sa parang concert, yung parang concert ng ano, ng 80s, I received some photo booths, pictures, ganun. And I have some TD, one of my bias, San, and then I think this is Mingy. I think Mingy and San. And thank you for the one who gave me this. If you're watching right now, thank you. We received that from pag lumalabas na kami, they're giving some things like that. That's why. Guys, be mindful in life. Ito, kakabalik niya, so he doesn't know kung ginawa. Why? What are you guys talking about? Be mindful, life to Niton. Kakabalik niya, so he doesn't know kung anong ginawa ng ibang members. Yeah, I agree. I don't know. Kumusta biyahe sa dagat? It was tiring actually. I mean, it's not tiring, it's just I feel like parang naglalakad kami sa moving land. Parang ganun. Kasi gumaganong-ganon siya eh. And then especially when you sleep, gumaganong ka din, no? Kami magkatabi kami ni Kim, magtulog. Kaya gumaganon din kami. Tapos gumaganon din. That's why. What's next? What song do you wanna play? Yeah. Ito, gusto ko ito eh. Ay. Sino pinaka nahilo sa inyo? Sobrang dami, sila lahat nahilo, sila lahat except ako. Grabe. Kaya hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa brain ko. Ba't hindi ako nahilo at that time? Pero sila lahat ilong nahilo talaga sila, lalo na si Jeremy and Kyler. Grabe. To the point na kailangan na nilang uminom ng something na gamot like that para mabawasan yung ano. Pero nahilo talaga sila. Nung last lang si Jiro, sabi niya, nakaganito na siya. Sabi niya, pero hindi ko na kaya, nahihilo na talaga. Pero goods naman. Na-survive naman sila. Like muna ba yung Simon Winston after? Hindi ko lang kaya magstay sa barko ng ganong katagal. Parang hindi ko pa asin nakikita. Kumbaga. Pero I love seeing the sea, ganun, and then sa mga yung mga island pag dinadaanan namin, kaya sobrang na-amaze ako. Ano daw sabi? May TikTok kayo sa bar. Ano daw? Watch Dreammaker, kuya. Rewatch Dreammaker? No. Nahiya ako. Pero last lang pinapanood namin, na kami lang din, of course. And then nahiya kami ipanood namin yung parang pinapanood yung sarili sa what do you call this one? Put someone's knocking again. Just gonna open it up, guys. Just wait for me. Wanna say hi? Hi guys, Racer is here.
Wala ko. Wag. Makitingin niya lang ang tubig.
Oh. Dito si Racer, guys. Pero ayaw niya magpakita eh. He's just shy. Ayun, tubig na.
Umuuga ka pa rin. Yung feeling mo nasa balat pa ba?
Hindi nga ako nahilo, guys. Sila lahat ilong nahilo. Promise, ilong nahilo sila lahat. Like parang they can't do it anymore, sabi na. Sabi na, I wanna go out.
Amazing.
That's why. And they're very... And then, hindi ko nga alam kung nag-puke sila eh. It's just that they're very low. Ako wala, hindi talaga ako nahilo. Hinintay ko mahilo at the time kasi para maranasan ko din yung mga nararanasan nila. Pero hindi ako nahilo talaga. Ito na gusto mo kainin yan. Seafood! Gusto ko kumain ng Gusto ko kumain ng seafood. Ng shrimp, ng crab, and everything. Ganun. Basta seafood. Ayun ang gusto kong kainin. Kasi kahit galing ako sa dagat, parang miss ko pa rin kumain. Saradin mo. Baka Nandito na naman si Raster. Kumakain na naman siya. Humingi siya ng chocolates. I have chocolate kasi dito. And then, he come here. And then, please greet my pamangkin. Hi, Sabrina. Hi, Sabrina. Anyo. Paulan. What's? Paulan? Paulan? Ang ganda ng vocal. Thank you. Pero walang makakatalo kay Vinci. She's the best. I mean, he's the best pala. He's the best vocalist among all of us. Paula! Hi, Paula! Bicep baby. Ayoko nga. No. No, 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 no. Wait, play pala tayo. Ito. Gusto ko itong kanta ngayon. Sa isang tindahan, sa may baklaran, napatingin at tulala sa iyong kagandahan. Naaalala mo pa ba nung tayo pang dalawa? Ano pang main? Tinawag mo. Hi, Misha. What? Cute nyo umiyak sa final episode ng Demi. Siyempre, sino yung hindi iiyak sa final moments na yun? Ikaw yung pinakalas na tinawag. Paano hindi ka iyak? Actually, I have, meron na ako nasa utak ko kung ano yung masasabihin ko. But at that time when they called me, grabe wala na. I was blacked out. Kaya, hindi ko na alam ko yung mga pinagsasabi ko at that time because I was not in my mind at the time. I was blacked out. Kinabahan ba kayo when you had to sing Vinci sa Marcos part? Oo naman, lalo na kay Vinci. Tataas ng part ni Vinci. Tataas ng part ni Vinci, that's why. Kinakabahan din ako, pero nag-trust na lang din ako sa sarili ko. Sabi ko, kaya mo yan, don't think about it, just do it. I know you can. I was just, telling all that in myself. Shout out, Ini Anime and K-Drama Suggestion shout out na rin. Hi, Ailey. Ano ba? Pinapanood ko ngayon Bet, guys. Bet. Kakiguri. Do you know that? Do you know that anime, guys? It has, live action. American and then Japanese. And then right now I'm watching Japanese version. Because tapos na ako sa Bet. Tapos mo na siya sa Sway. Kaya ngayon, pinapanood ko yung Uy! Nandun si Jeremy sa live ni Kuya Dre. That's amazing. Sige, bawas. Hindi, akin yun. Lahat nandyan, akin yun. Winston, join ka sa live ni Dre at dun Sir Jeremy. We, don't lie to me. Just send mo nga sa akin yung screenshot if it's true or false. Kuya, good luck kay lang sa John 9 na pasukan namin. Fighting and good luck. Motivation para pumasok. Huwag ka nang pumasok. Okay lang yan. Joke lang. Hindi. Mag-aral ka na mabuti and then think about your family and then your loved ones, of course. Napanood mo na yung Final Destination? Yes, I did. The Final Destination Bloodline 5. It was gore. I didn't expect yung mga the way kung paano sila namatay. It was sad and gore. Shout out daw sa little cousin ko. Ria. Hi, Ria. Pakita mo daw si Razer. No, ayaw niya eh. Nagbumukbang pa kasi siya eh. That's why. Fab color ni Kim. Pink. I think pink. And then, Racer wearing pink right now.
Inulit ko ng damit ko kasi naubusan kami ng damit.
What? Buti ako yun. Ito yung last ko na damit na dala. Buti na lang sumaksis ako. Hi, Toto. Hi, kay Mika, kuya. Hi, Mika. Anong feeling na sa bar ko kayo? Sobrang saya. Feel ko naging seaman ako.
Ikaw lang nasayahan. Nakakahilo kayo.
Feel ko naging seaman ako for the meantime. As in, naramdaman ko kung ano yung nararamdaman ng mga seaman at that time. And then, that's why I have so much respect sa mga seaman dyan. Nag-work sa bar ko. I know it. You know, it's so hot and then, yung hangin ng, maamoy mo yung hangin and then, lasang dagat siya. That's why. Pero, happy pa rin. Na-experience ko yun. Hi Winston, kumusta? I'm good. We just came back from West Philippines. Yeah. Ton, pansinin mo ako. Oo, napansin na kita. Pansin na kita, Erica Costudio. Hi Joy. Hi Joy. Hi Kuya. BBS Mika? Sa ang tawag dun? Thunder Challenge. I saw this. Thunder Challenge. I saw this music video. It was so good. Kuya, itong lang mauubos na data ko. No! May signal ba doon sa... Wala masyadong signal doon. That's why I can't send some pictures and then stories, upload, there's no signal at all. Sometimes meron, minsan mahina. And there's a wifi naman, pero lang, parang pili lang kumbaga. Including us. Medyo pangit ka pa nun, ngunit ngayon, hey, iba na ang iyong ngiti, iba na ang iyong tingin, nagbago. I-request yung multo. Multo? Multo! Let's play Multo by Cup of Joe. Seated. Pero I have some pictures naman. And then some videos. So, just wait for it to post. I'm gonna post on my Instagram. And then, just wait for that. Maraming interaction kami with that. Yes, we had. And then, amazing kasi it's my first time to talk with a lot of people. Mga international people. Like some Indonesian, Malaysian, and then Korean. Kaya natry ako doon na-train ako mag-English doon because I'm talking to them in English. And then some Korean as well because I'm talking to some Koreans there and then I try to speak in Hangugo. That's why. And then yeah, it's amazing. And then naging friends talaga kami. Like when they're going down kanina kasi sila yung mga una. Sabi ko, bye guys, please take care. If you have time, just message us, If you're coming back here in the Philippines, just message us, Kasi sobrang babait nila, lahat sila. And then may na-meet ako na parang may nakasabay ako kumain. He's Malaysian. And then he was talking about his life, ganun. He's a fisherman from Malaysia. Yun. And then tinatanong ko siya kung ano yung mga masasarap na food mi doon, ganun, sa Malaysia. Tapos sabi niya parang maraming mga kapareho na food from here sa Philippines and then doon sa Malaysia. You slayed the high note. Thank you. Hi Winston, watching from Balogan City Summer. Hi, mapay ng gabi. Damo nga salamat tayo mo pagkita akong alive sala. Damo nga salamat. Bukal mo nakaka-proud. Thank you so much. Pero Vinci were there, I think mas masaya yun. And then Marcus, of course. Isang Angel and Athena. Hi, Angel and Athena. Pisong kayo lang ka magsokong kabo. Secret. Manifesting mag-concert sa mga Holy Angel University. So no, ayo. Pero sa SM muna tayo. We love SM. SM and JBL. JBL and SM, sarang eh. Buti na lang dala ko yung Chun 1 Beam 2. Kung hindi talaga ako makakatulog. Cause, ano siya eh, ano tawag dun? Malakas kasi yung ano na yung noise cancelling niya. Ito, wait, I'm gonna show you. Wave, ano to eh? Wave Beam 2 ata to. Sobrang ang lakas ng ano niya, yung noise cancelling niya, grabe. 'Di ba pag nasaan baba kasi kayo? And then ang lakas ng ano, yung machine. Ganon yung machine. So, buti na lang meron ako. That's why nakakatulog ako maayos. Yeah. When ka bibisito sa Katbalogan? For now, I don't know because we have so much event to do in the future. So, and so much plan to do. That's why. Excited. Sino magkakaroon ng what do you mean? Kuya. Jun. Congratulations to dun sa K-pop. Yes, so that. Nanalo nga kami. Just like last year, I think nanalo din kami dun for last year ata. And then ngayon ata or kahapon yung awarding. Ang galing. Amazing. That for real, it's amazing. Thank you so much to our anchors who keeps on supporting us. Sana nga guys. Kuya, isang hello naman Zoe. Hi Zoe. So happy nag-enjoy ka at yung boys. Of course. Attending this kind of event, especially about siya sa atin. Kaya sobrang happy kami na-involve kami sa mga ganung bagay. That's why very glad. Kuya Winston, miss you. I miss you all, our anchors. Winston, when ba kaya ako mapapansin ni Tulobat na ako? Oh, napansin na kita. Wait, ang bilis ng comment. I don't see your name. Ito yung sikat ngayon na kanta eh. What's your tungkulin, kuya, as of now? Tungkulin? I'm not gonna say anything about my tungkulin. Punta ba kayo sa SB concert? Secret. Kumusta po si Vinci and Marcus? They're good. They're fine. Ang galing, wala na silang wala na silang sakit ka na. That's why they're good. Yes, they're very nice. They're good. Someone's knocking again. Thinking of you. Ano daw sabi?
Sabi niya,
grabe,
hindi, alam mo,
nagulat
ito.
talaga ako.
Wait!
Nagmamambol lang dito si Razer, oh.
Naintindihan mo?
Hindi ko naintindihan sinasabi mo.
Ulit.
Okay. I get it. Wait. Ano? Wait.
I mean yung...
Oo.
Huh?
Okay. Yes.
Nag-goal yun, man.
Nagbulungan muna kami for the meantime, so we're not gonna tell you anything about that. It's confidential. Secret. Secret. 20%. Oh no! Ah! Yes, galing! Waray here. Hi, yung mga taga-Waray, taga-Katbalogan ko. Pag inay ka mga dapirmi, ayaw good pag pinasaway, ay yung mga magulang, just love them and then show your heart pose. What? What am I doing here? It's just so random, man. Palitan. Wait, what did you say? Attend ka sa concert ng Blackpink this November. Hoy, Racer, do you wanna go concert Blackpink?
Of course.
Ako din, of course, it's Blackpink, dude. It's Blackpink. Oh, there, because you're sabi mo Blackpink, so I'm gonna patugtog tayo ng Blackpink. What song do you want? Blackpink song dapat. Blackpink, Pink Venom? Ito, Pink Venom. As if it's your last? Okay. Si Racer naman yung sasayaw eh.
Hindi ako sasayaw.
What? Did you turn it off?
Hindi. Nalobat.
Okay? Ayan,
Nalobat.
Ayan, okay na. No more take it tonight. Oh guys, by the way, around 8:20 tapos na ako mag-live. So, preparing na ako ngayon matapos yung live ko. So, just sing with me and Racer.
Black.
Hey! Ako brown ako eh. Brown. Cause in me, cause under the waves I'm missing you. Tonight will set me free. Baby, natalk ka naman ng nanay mo. Ay, ibang version pala yun. Racer, ang ganda daw ng message mo sa salamat.
No!
Ala! Actually, tinatawanan namin.
Masaya lang tayo kasi patuloy
tayo maging masaya. Hindi, mali sabi mo. Sana maging masaya tayo patuloy. Patuloy tayo maging masaya. Masaya. Tawag na kami. Tapos sabi niya, sana vlog yung live para hindi marinig. Sabi, ay, malakas yung wifi at that time, kaya rinig na rinig yung Tapos ang cute niya, bagong, like yung namin, yung nagpapakilala siya. Hi guys, I'm Racer, main rocker. And then, nung nagbe-message siya, nito siya. Hi guys, ganito. So, para siyang bata. Cute. Palit naman yung chance ni Winston. Okay. Baby, natalk naman ng nanay mo. 5 minutes left. I'm gonna, turn this off the live. Kumusta biyahe niyo? It was good. I was just outside and watching the view outside, and then I'm with my members, of course. And then it was raining. That's why I was just hindi, magti-TikTok kami ni Racer. Just wait for it. Guys, wait for it.
Gusto ko sana mag-TikTok sa
sa barko.
Sa barko.
Ako din.
Kaso sobrang nahihilo talaga.
Sobrang nahihilo sila. Kaya nakita ko sila, nakahiga lang. Uling sila eh. Hilong-hilaw talaga sila. Let's go, Racer. Kick in the door, we in the go. One way to walk. Why want me to bite you? Miss na kita. Miss mo na ako. Sad. Tawang-tawa kasi Titanic. Actually, random ko lang naisip yun. Kasi dumating si Jito, sabi ko, uy, gawin niyo yung Titanic, tapos kakantahin ko. So, ayun. Sinend ko sa Titanic, sa, sa broadcasting. I bring the pen like this, that pink pen, this, that pink pen, this, that pink pen. To your drum like, wow, wow, wow. Ito, naalala mo ba yung ano? Ito, naalala mo ba yung Sophie na sinatan? Oh, yes. I remember. It was you? It was you? You're the one that I called out? Rise up, wouldn't be me. Time shining down, blowing somebody in the wall, and just in the sky, up in the sky, and wow, there's no chance. Could be the bodies on the right, there's no chance. I don't know the lyrics there, so just bear with me, you know? So I just wanna go. You wanna kiss him down. Look what you made us do. Fire, fire. I bring the pain like stop pink venom, pink venom. Straight to your dumb like whoa whoa. Taste that pink venom, pink venom, pink venom. Straight to your dumb like wow. 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left. I'm gonna turn this off na. Walang dolphin po kaming nakita. Pero may nakita po sila ng iba. Pero ako hindi ko nakita. Wala akong nakita. Sino kasama niyo sa Titanic? Kami tatlo. And then manager namin, of course.
I bring the pain like
This, sabi ka, this thing. Everything with one single word. You know, like gnarly. Gnarly! Gnarly!
Nailo pa rin ako.
Okay. Bye guys! Bye guys! Bye guys! It was nice seeing you all. Thank you so much for joining this live. Bye ka na. Bye bye bye. I love you guys. I love you guys. Bye bye.